A man walks into court for a simple DWI charge, but within minutes, the judge uncovers a hidden past, a second case in another county, and even immigration trouble. What happens next? Let's just say this judge doesn't hold back.
Mr. Munoz Puente, you are charged with driving while intoxicated. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine.
Dólares de multa.
You're going to be probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, sir. On July 4th, 2019, the officer observed a white Ford Mustang pull out of a Citgo gas station parking lot onto the 200 block of East Little York Road. The officer observed the Mustang failed to drive in a designated lane, driving over the striped white line in between lanes 1 and 2 multiple times while other vehicles were on the roadway. The defendant was unable to control its speed and accelerated and decelerated multiple times. A traffic stop was initiated. The defendant was observed to have red glossy eyes, slurred speech, and swaying while he was standing. The officer also observed a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage. The defendant admitted to drinking 5 liters. A standard field sobriety test were administered. HGN 6 out of 6, walk and turn 5 out of 8, one leg stand 3 out of 4. 2 spilled beers were found in the vehicle, and a search warrant was drawn and executed for the blood.
Why is this case 2,083 days old?
So speaking to him in 2019, he was arrested in an ICE detainer that was hit. He was picked up by immigration. He said when he was in the immigration court, they told him he could sign a waiver.
Voluntary departure.
Yeah, voluntary departure. That's what he did.
Mr. Munoz Puente, you're going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm ordering you as a judge of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or illegal drugs, I will revoke your bond. And I'm going to put you in jail. I don't know what your immigration status is now. You now know what happens when you go to jail. They will possibly deport you. And I'm going to tell you, if you come back and you don't come back with the proper documentation, it could be 5 years minimum in federal custody on an illegal reentry charge. So when you do things the right way, good things happen. When you don't, there's serious consequences. If I find that you violate any of these conditions, I will put you in jail. Do you understand? Run his license, see if he has a valid license, please.
There's no license on file, Your Honor.
You are not allowed to drive. That is my most important position in this area now. If I find that you drive, I don't care what you I can have a contempt hearing. You can be facing an additional 6 months jail and $500 fine. I will have you sign with me now an affidavit. This is a promise that you're going to make to me that you're not going to drive. I don't care what is going on in your life. If you don't have a license, a Texas license, and liability insurance in your name, you are not allowed to drive. You run his NCICC as a priority to the eyes, please.
It's just all right.
Your test number?
It's 226-7399.
Your Honor, it appears based on the NCIC, there's a pending DWI out of Dallas County as well.
That's correct. He does have another open DWI in Dallas County. We did pick it up before this case. But it was a warrant for both of them, which was picked up for when they bond for both of these cases. So before he was deported, he had picked up both of his DWIs.
Did he get a PR bond in this case? Munoz Puente.
GOB jurisdiction, but it
Lo
was
que sea.
for Roe,
Cuando
to
revocaron
vote, that's the end
vacante
for 19, and then posted a
faltó en el
account.
2009. Cuando pienso, efectivo,
I'm going to put an ankle monitor on
voy a
you,
poner una
and I'm now giving you a code
y le voy a
7
dar
to 7. If I
un
find
horario
that you're out
7
past 7
si
p.m., I'm
sale
going to
después de las 7 de la noche.
I will do everything in my power to protect the community at all costs. Do you understand?
No entiendo.
It's
Yes.
unacceptable. Counsel, were you going to say something? If I find
Y yo averiguo.
that you test positive for anything, and I don't care what it is, if you try to come here and try to tell me that it's mouthwash, it's a tequila lollipop, it's hair dye, it's mustache ointment, I will literally,
Bigote.
you are driving a car. Holy moly, I will absolutely lose it. Do you understand?
¿Lo entiende?
Don't dare
Te atrevas
get near a
a
car.
sacarte a un automóvil.
So 7 to 7 curfew.
Debe decirte ahora uno en su trabajo.
The scram monitor. No alcohol, no drugs. Is all discovery in?
Yes, Judge, everything did.
Okay. So counsel, I'm gonna give you a 30-day setting. At that point, you gotta come back and let us know what you wanna do. And then you have 30 days to go through all the discovery with your lawyer. And you come back at that time, I'm gonna either set your case for trial or you will accept the plea bargain for the agreement. But at 2000, and I know that the issues may have happened, but with another DWI open, it's time to do something about it. Okay, all right.
Thank you, Judge.
See you soon.
From a routine DWI charge to a full-blown courtroom wake-up call, this man walked in thinking it was just another hearing, but walked out with a judge's powerful warning about deportation, jail time, and a future hanging by a thread. One wrong turn, one bad decision, and everything can change in seconds. If you want to see more real courtroom moments where justice gets personal and unpredictable, hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and join us for the next jaw-dropping case.